In this tutorial, I guide you through the process of sharing a TikTok video to your Facebook story. Make sure to wait until the end to ensure a seamless experience. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app. Once you find the video that you want to share, tap on the share icon located below the video. From the sharing option, select Facebook. You'll be directed to the Facebook app when you can create a post with the selected TikTok video. If you prefer not to make this post public, tap on the drop-down menu with the person icon and change it to Only Me. Then tap Done to confirm your selection. Afterward, tap on Post to share the TikTok video to your Facebook timeline. Now hop out of TikTok and open the Facebook app. Navigate to your profile and scroll down to find the post that you've just shared from TikTok to Facebook. To share it to your story, tap on Share and then select your story. This will open the Story Creator, where you can customize the appearance and layout of the video in your story. Once you're satisfied with the edits, tap on Share Story to post it to your Facebook story. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a TikTok video to your Facebook story. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and until next time, happy sharing!